So if we're trying to find the cosine of A, what we need to do is actually go over to this angle A and think about the sides that are touching that angle, that are creating the angle. One of those sides is going to be the hypotenuse, and I know that's the hypotenuse because it's across from the right angle. And the other side is the adjacent. Okay, so you have in a right triangle, you have two sides that are not the hypotenuse, and then you have the hypotenuse. So you have a side 1, and you have a side 2, and you have a hypotenuse. Now it depends which angle. From this angle, one of the sides is the adjacent, but if you're looking at a different angle, like at this angle, then this side would be adjacent. So you really have to think about which angle you're looking at. Okay, so here we are at angle A. That means that the side touching angle A is adjacent. Okay, so once we've oriented ourselves and we know where we are, then we use the definition of cosine. Cosine is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. Okay, so in this case, adjacent is the line AB, and hypotenuse is the line AC. So that would be our answer.